Welcome back. Let me introduce on how we calculate the outstanding balance, and then thereafter we're going to look at some examples. Okay, how do we calculate the outstanding balance? Please follow these steps. It's just two steps that can also be combined to one thing. I'll show you how you do this. So when calculating the outstanding balance, calculate the value of the loan with interest up to the point in which you're looking for the outstanding balance. Let's say you take the loan of 100,000. And then you want to find the outstanding balance after 24 payments. Calculate the accumulated amount of this loan up to the 24 payments. Okay, so the formula you can use is this one. We can use this formula to find the accumulated amount of the loan. And then from that accumulated amount of the loan, subtract the total payments. Okay, there are payments that you have already done, and you want to calculate the outstanding balance after you've made some payments. So subtract the total payments with interest. So how do you do that? You use the future value formula. So basically, what we're doing here was subtracting this from this. So that's why I'm saying these two steps can be combined to create one formula, which is the outstanding balance is equal to A, where A is this, and then minus F, where F is this. Just that. So remember this is the formula. You're not going to be given in the formula sheet, but you have to remember it. This is how you calculate the outstanding balance. This is the method that I prefer. There is another method that has some limitations. So it will be better to use this method. Okay. The other method, I'm not going to use that because it has limitations. For this method too, we use the formula P is equal to X and then 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative n over I. We are using the present value formula. And then for the n, we use the number of payments that are yet to be done. Let's say, for example, the loan has to be paid off by 24 payments. And then you want to calculate the outstanding balance after 20 payments. If you're using this formula, you have to use the 4 payments that are yet to be done. So for n, you're going to use 4. But now, let's say they did not give us that this loan is going to be paid off after 24 payments. How will you get n? It becomes very difficult. But for this formula that I've shown you here, you use the payments that are already done. If you have done 20 payments, your n here is going to be 20 and your n there is going to be 20. Then you're done. There's no limitation. So this one can be used every time. But the other method, this one, has limitations. So that's why we're not going to use it a lot in our lessons.